So today our topic is knapsack problem. At first we have to know what is knapsack problem. A knapsack problem is a problem in combinational optimization. Means a given set of items each with a weight and a value. Items each with a weight and a value. And determine the number of each item to include in a collection so that the total weight is less than or equal to a given limit and the total value is as large as possible. Means givens are item, corresponding weight and value or profit, and you have to determine maximum profit and the fraction part. Okay, let's take an example. Okay, let's take an example. Here some items are given I1, I2, I3, I4 and I5, and the corresponding weights and values are given. Like for I1, weight is 5 and value is 30, and respectively for I2, I3, I4 and I5. Okay, then let's have a look for the algorithm. Okay, at first calculate the ratio, that is Vi by Si, or you can say Wi, that is weight, or here you can say Pi. Okay, for 1 to n means there for I1, I2, I3, I4 and I5. So how to calculate? For I1, ratio will be Vi by Wi, means 30 by 5, that is 6. For I2, 20 by 10, 2. 100 by 20, that is 5. 90 by 30, that is 3. And 160 by 40, that is 4. Now sort the items by decreasing of Ri, that is after sorting six, 5, 4, 3, 2. Item number 1, item number 3, item number 5, item number 4 and item number 2. Okay, after sorting the table will be look like this, and you are given with knapsack capacity 60 kg, or sometimes they call knapsack bag. Okay, so now add the weight up to 60 kg, means you have to weight 5. At first you take 5 plus 20, that is 25. If you take 40, then it will be 65, which is greater than your knapsack capacity, right? So you can't take 40, you have to take the fractional part of this 40. That's why we call it fractional knapsack problem. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to minus this thing from the knapsack capacity. Like our knapsack capacity is 60, so 60 minus 25, that is 35. We have to take this amount of this item, means 35 kg. Okay, so fraction is that 35. fractional value is 35. So how to calculate 35 for I5? So I5 is 40 and 160, means 160 by 40 into 35, that is 140. So this is our fractional value for weight, and this is our fractional value for profit. So what is our maximum profit? For 5 kg 30, 20 kg that is 100, right? 5 kg 30, 20 kg 100, and for 35 kg 140. So maximum profit will be 270. And see here the knapsack maximum weight 60 kg, which is our knapsack capacity. So maximum profit is 270 rupees or anything. Okay, so this is all about our fractional knapsack problem. Okay, do it by yourself and see how to implement knapsack problem in C. This will be shown in your next video tutorial. For this you have to subscribe our channel. Thank you.